In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield AI for image generation. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Higgsfield.ai. From in there, go over to the image and click on the This Create Image. You can also see right here other features of Higgsfield that you can choose from. Head over and choose the Create Image option. As you can see, it utilizes Nano Banana 2 and just input right here the scene that you imagine. So for example, let's input right here a dog chasing a cat. Now you can also choose right here the model. We have in here a lot of model options that you can choose from. You can also choose the ratio for this with some examples, of course. And from in there, you can also choose right here the quality. We have 1K, 2K, and 4K. Now input right here the batch size, like how many images will be generated based on this, as well as a draw option if it's available. Now for this, head over and click on the this generate option. It will be in queued, and after that, it will generate the image right here. So you can create an account to see generated images for that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.